Welcome, today in front of me POCO F4 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So let's just first activate the decibel meter. I'll do this with the help of this decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speaker here, so this value then on this display will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 114.8 decibels. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.